Hey guys, get ready for another set of gadgets for all occasions. So today we'll bring some light to your place, organize your workflow, and help you find the right path. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below, and don't forget to write in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. This video is brought to you by Squarespace. When we say time flows, we don't mean it like literally, but this unusual clock perfectly expresses the flow of time as if it were a liquid substance. The unique design combines analog and digital technology, which makes it look so cool. And the best part, of course, is the mesmerizing liquid display that turns regular digits into a piece of art. This desktop robot is as cute and friendly as a real pet. It's pretty small and lightweight, but you'll be amazed with its capabilities. 12 active joints allow full body control and let the robot move in any direction. Self-stabilization makes sure this guy firmly stands on his feet even if you give it a gentle push. The robot can climb a sloping surface or squat back when needed, and most importantly, there's a built-in AI module that lets you interact with your friend in a variety of different ways. It's able to recognize voice, gestures, and visual objects, including your face. All you need to control the robot is the mobile app. There's a ton of pre-programmed actions, but you're free to expand that with your own ideas. That's the best pet you've ever had. Now there's a ton of USB chargers on the market, but this thing is an actual powerhouse, and it's not just 6 USB ports that let you charge all your devices at once. This brick delivers an incredible 240-watt output, which enables fast charging for each port. The built-in LED panel shows you the real-time wattage. Heat dissipation is also thought through to keep the charger cool despite its huge power. On top of all that, this thing comes with a bunch of swappable plugs, which is great news for travelers. You can plug the charger right into the wall or use it as a charging station with an extension cable. It's a modern-style shuffleboard table that's suited both for the classic game and tabletop bowling. Everything you need for the games is included in the package. The metal pucks, 10 bowling picks, and a special powder that reduces friction. With its vintage wooden design, this table perfectly fits any interior. And there's no need to worry about lighting conditions. The table lights up thanks to the integrated LED strips. So get ready, you're about to have a lot of guests. How to protect all your online accounts from all the hackers, phishing sites, and all that stuff? This little thing becomes your physical password. No one can access your accounts without it. Once you've set the security keys, you only need to plug in the gadget and press the button. The device has 2 different slots, one for your static passwords and another one for one-time passwords that are automatically generated every single time. Most importantly, this thing works with a huge variety of online services including Google, Microsoft, and so on. Same goes for the hardware. You can use the key with any desktop platform or even mobile devices. There's a built-in NFC module, so you just bring this thing close to your phone or tablet, and if your laptop doesn't have a standard USB port, there's a USB-C version as well. There's also this blue model that brings almost the same features for a lower price. It doesn't support as many authentication algorithms as the previous option, but most users won't need them anyway. Oh, and both keys are extremely durable and waterproof. Another great option is the Bio key with built-in fingerprint scanner. It must be really handy, but it's also the most expensive out of the 3. Next up, we have a perfect keyboard for gamers. The first thing you'll notice is the clean, low-profile design with the signature strap. But most importantly, these keys stand out with really fast input. It's less than 1 millisecond. Also, you're free to adjust the actuation point for each key and seamlessly switch between gaming and typing. And of course, all the keys are remappable. As you'd expect, RGB lighting is fully customizable. And all your settings are saved on the onboard memory. We are constantly searching for new products for our reviews. And let us tell you something, top-selling gadgets usually have great websites. So if you're trying to sell something online, Squarespace will definitely help you with that. This platform provides a full package of most useful tools for a growing online business. Let's start with the most vital part, the payments. The platform provides you with e-commerce templates, so there's no need to make it all from the ground up. From the checkout process to the inventory management, everything is already built in. But before the actual purchase, there's some marketing stuff to do. You know, some gadgets we find and search immediately, while others are somewhere on the third page. To make sure your website never gets down there, Squarespace offers powerful tools for search engine optimization. If every company used this, our job would be so much easier. But the most annoying thing is when you open a site on your phone and everything is so small because it's not optimized. That sucks. Every website designed on Squarespace is automatically optimized for mobile devices. Come on, it's 2021 already. So keep your business up to date. Check out squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to take off, go to squarespace.com/YouFactTech to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Colorful lighting is the key to a cozy and modern interior. These minimalist light bars stand out with a modular design, allowing you to combine them in an infinite variety of different layouts. If the initial kit isn't enough, you're free to expand it to the point where the lights will cover an entire wall. You can control the lights either from your PC or mobile device since there's a dedicated app for every platform. Not only can you choose the color and effects, but also create custom scenes and automatic schedules. And if you simply need to adjust the brightness, just ask your voice assistant about that. Moreover, these light bars can be synced with your gaming setup and PC monitor, or you might make the lights dance to your music. This gadget will change the way you make notes once and for all. Just press the button and dictate your ideas. This thing will write them down using an advanced voice-to-text technology. Over a dozen languages are supported, from German, French, and Spanish to Korean and Hindi. The device is powered by AI, which allows automatic spell checking and some basic editing. The gadget clips right to your shirt or jacket, so it's always at hand when something important comes to your mind. You can edit, sort, and share all your notes later in the mobile app. And what's really cool, this thing doesn't require an internet connection. The rechargeable battery allows up to 8 hours of continuous recording or 2 weeks on standby. Nice. And here's another great lighting set for a gamer's room. These light strips by Razer are provided with a whole lot of mounting brackets and adhesives that make installation really simple. The set contains a total of 120 individually addressable LEDs. Aside from the huge number of different colors, the lights feature more than 80 preloaded lighting effects. Feel free to toggle between them using the included wireless controller, or pair the lights with your smartphone and PC via Bluetooth. You might even create your own custom effects. When it comes to exciting journeys, you can't rely on your phone compass. This old-fashioned tool is definitely more reliable since it doesn't need any batteries and satellite connection. Plus, this thing is fully crafted from brass, which makes it sturdy and stylish at the same time. And it goes without saying, the compass is fully waterproof. If you get lost, it'll help you out. Using a little magnet, you'll be able to make the needle point north, and when it gets dark, the luminescent markings keep the dial clearly visible. The compass is lightweight and completely pocketable. You have to get it before the next trip. This is a whole new level of a toy from our childhood. Yep, it's a yo-yo, and it features an all-metal design with those futuristic rims on the sides. When the toy is spinning, it really looks like the rims are just floating in the air. It's perfectly balanced so you can achieve the best results learning new tricks. And there's a concave stainless steel bearing inside, which is super responsive. Now here's the tough choice. There are 3 materials and finishes to choose from. Whichever one you choose, you'll also get this really nice desk stand, so the yo-yo will always be at hand. Meet a coin-sized computer. The baby PC features a 1-inch full-color display, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity, along with 3 assignable buttons. But actually, this thing is Arduino compatible, so you can create and install your own apps on it. Thanks to the variety of sensors and built-in microphone, the possibilities are limitless. Turn this thing into a watch, smart home gadget, or a bike speedometer. It's all up to you. Okay, there's an important issue we need to address. Thanks to the large grippy claw, this gadget lets you easily grab your dog's poop without touching it and searching for the bin. The leak-proof cap safely stores everything inside the capsule in a completely odorless way. All you have to do in advance is pull out the bag from the special compartment and wrap it around the claw. This thing can grab everything from virtually any surface, whether it's grass, snow, or concrete. The handle's designed in a way that you can easily control the tension of the claw, and most importantly, the gadget is extremely lightweight and easy to carry thanks to the special strap. There are 2 sizes to choose from depending on the size of your dog and its needs. These dice stand out with a super stylish and clean look. They're made of titanium alloy, so there's no chance they'll crack or burst. On top of that, the dice are backlit. Each side can glow with different colors. That's pretty much it. Just the most futuristic and elegant dice ever.